Afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and this is hive number 441 at Dead Tree. And I said I wasn't going to make any more splits this year, but this is a blue queen that was in 145. We moved her over here, and she says she's ready to split again. She's got a couple of uncapped queen cells. They may be capped by now, but we're going to take the capped queen cells out and put them in this little 3-frame nuke, and we'll show you what we're going to do. Okay, first thing, we're going to check the hive. Take the feed ring off. Take their feeder out. Dump all the stuff out. Okay, this is the one with the queen cell right here. So we're going to take these over right now. We need room anyway. This is the frame here that we got from another hive that the queen didn't come back. We put it in it here. Okay, queen cell. We have brood. Gotta find my queen cell. And I got one over here. That's not the one I'm looking for. I don't see anything in yet. Nope, that's not the one we're looking for. But it's got brood and bees and stuff on it. It's a good frame. Maybe I just marked the wrong frame. Okay, well, for the time being, we're just going to stick it over here too. Oh, not the frame I was looking for. This is the frame I was looking for here. It's been a long day, people. This has got the uncapped queen cells. There's 2 of them together. Make sure we don't have a queen in here. There's eggs. Well, I guess we're going to start one. So we're going to start a queen cell. I mean a thing. This one here has eggs. And larvae. And we're going to take it. And we're going to stick it over here in this hive. So we're going to make a split. Okay. So we take that frame. We stick it in this 3-frame box. We take this frame. It has the queen cell. I don't see the queen. We need some food to go in with that one now. So we're going to take this one. Put back here where it was at. Okay. take another frame out of here, and this got stores on it and honey. You take that one, we're going to stick it over here with this one. So there's 2 frames in a 3-frame box. That's all I care about being in there. We can look at this one. It has stores. So it's good. We just looked at this one. We didn't see no blue queen. Now that empty frame that we just put in there from that other hive, the bees are already on it. This one here has some brood. Some larvae, some stores. And the big pretty blue queen right here. So we're good. We don't have to look anymore in this one. Now I can go get me another frame, put it in here, and we'll just put a spacer frame in there right now. This is just a spacer frame. Okay. Put it back together like it should be. And this little thing over here, we're gonna give them a feeder ring. Close them up. And then now this one, we're going to put it back together the way it was. They're not going to miss a beat. Pollen patty. That's all they need. Put some pollen patty over here. That's all they need. Give them some food. And this one over here, the little nuke, little 2-frame thing, we're going to put that there. Let's finish this one up first. Put this back on here. That there, put this on here, and we're going to write on here what we've done. That we took a frame out, we put it in this hive. This little nuke right here, we're going to call about 426. This one will be the new 426. Number 426. And we're going to put it over at the bag tree. And that's all there is to it. Like I say, I don't like doing it this time of the year because we don't have a lot of drones, but we're going to have more drones coming up here in a few weeks. So they may be okay. Well, y'all have a great day. Let me know what you think of this little split. And I hope this answered your questions, or some of your questions. And if not, let me know. But you have to come up with a new comment on this one instead of adding it to the other one. Because when you add something to one of the other comments, I don't get it. And y'all have a great day. Give us a comment, subscribe, share, be happy, thumbs up. Have a great weekend, what's left of it, and a great week coming up. Y'all have a marvelous day. Bye.